Need to fix the Combase Library DLL error? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. This DLL file is the Windows Component Object Model Combase library. It manages low-level infrastructure for object communication, including cross-process calls and marshalling, which is vital for the operation of the shell. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter SFC scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as the Combase Library DLL. If the error persists, despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Combase library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. If you're attempting to register the Combase Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement frequently leads to severe software layer conflicts and long-term data corruption. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines the Combase library optimization concepts. If you've regained access to Windows OS Core thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.